So XRP is sitting at 62.55 right now, as you can see. And it was here yesterday when we made the video. Now it has pumped, and this is no surprise. I mean, the whole point was that the market would remain bullish, and it is staying bullish because on 1st of December, when I shared the closing of the month, I did mention that now we have 12 more days to stay bullish, and we will see rallies if there's going to be rallies, and it did turned out to be the case. It started bullishness even from the weekend. Generally that's not the case, but it did happen too as well. So my bullishness story will continue as long as it continues to hold 57 cents. I would expect XRP to continue with this rally towards 65 cents again, and then after that we will see if we can see 73 or not. If that doesn't happen, and on 12th and 13th we don't see a good news, then the whole market will turn around, and then our story will finally change, and then we will not stay bullish anymore, and hopefully by then we will break our support of 50 cents as well, 57 cents as well, and then XRP will turn around. But so far, congratulations on all these rallies and these opportunities for those who are looking for exits. If you have not exited yet, with all these pumps towards 63, 65 so many times, and then if it turns around by chance and it goes to 48 and then you are upset, I think that's pretty much on you. Apart from that, moving on to Bitcoin has pumped as well, and it's not a surprise. We are seeing movements like this, and it has pumped way more than where it was yesterday. I mean, I gave it its essential time. I looked at it and I see that Bitcoin is actually trying to rally even further. So the whole agenda is not that Bitcoin wants to stay bullish or it has other targets to achieve. Over here, what Bitcoin is trying to do by hitting $44,000 and these kind of marks is just that Bitcoin wants to liquidate all the positions that are in short. I think I did mention that in the live yesterday as well, and I've been mentioning that there's so many people out there talking about black swan and this kind of stuff, which leads to other unfortunate people shorting the market, and what happens is that the manipulation, it always plays against you. Now the overall sentiment and stuff is changing, and if you are in my Telegram, it's by the name of Crypto News Media, I have a bot. That's how actually you know that you are in the right place or not. If you type slash sentiment, if you write slash sentiment and you press enter, then what happens is that it gives you the fear and greed chart. Seriously, what the hell is wrong? Yeah, you can see the fear and greed analysis. Of course, it tells you the important dates and everything, but like someone is using it right now for the TA analysis. The bot does everything. So right now the greed is at 75, which is pretty high, and this shows that now everyone is thinking of that the Bitcoin is going to continue with the rally towards $50,000 and $60,000, and the market has turned around and the bull market has started. Those kind of sentiments are in the market, so I'm thinking now the market is going to play its cards well. I think this thing can pump up towards $46,000. That's the maximum stretch that I can see for Bitcoin, where it can catch everyone off guard pretty much. And after that, we will start seeing correction, and hopefully by then we will have 12th of December in place as well. So we are on 5th of December. We have 6 days left. Generally before the news is, if you again use my bot in the Telegram, it will tell you that there are 3 events. So it's CPI, PPI and FOMC, and they all are happening back to back. So generally before these events, what happens is that the market goes into a halt situation, and there's this pause, and everyone wants the news to come out and observe and see what's going to happen next. So I would say we have 5 days. 5 days of bullishness, whatever the Bitcoin wants to achieve, and of course the rest of the crypto as well. These are the 5 days. After these 5 days, if the news is bad, we will see dumping at in a very beautiful manner. If the news is not bad, then we will change our overall case scenario. Right now, my expectations are not towards on the good side. That's why I am putting top on Bitcoin at $46,000. Otherwise, I would have given I would have shared another story on Bitcoin. Moving on to Ethereum, it did achieve actually the target that I had for Ethereum, which was 2280. If you were watching my videos, you would know that 2280 was my target, and it went and it hit it. It touched $2,300. So from here onwards, what I'm expecting is that Ethereum will now do a bit of fake out, because 5 days more are there in place, and Ethereum would like to show more bullishness and make everyone think that maybe it wants to rally further. So I'm going to offer you a few more targets for Ethereum to see where else it can go. Just a second. And by the way, I'm going to cover OD and ICP in separate videos on YouTube. So I will be covering 7 coins. So that is there. Okay. Okay, so the further fake out of Ethereum is towards 2380. Unfortunately, it's again 2320. It was 2280. This time it's 2380. It doesn't need to go up and achieve all that, but that is where it is rallying right now. You can see Ethereum going in that direction, and of course its support is way below at 1990. I cannot change that, so that stays as your support. And for Bitcoin, my support is still at 35,200. I cannot offer another support. That would be disastrous situation, because I know that if Bitcoin decides to dump, it will dump by $3,000. So that will be a bit chaotic. Now looking at Solana, which has started acting as XRP. And I'm not surprised, because I had warned you guys that all this bullishness and everything is going to die. But everyone attacked me in the comments by saying that it's going to $80 and $110 and this and that. And now we see that Solana is struggling on a daily basis, because you can pretty much predict how one coin is going to react when it has matured enough, and then you have so much bad news in the place. Their mobile phones are basically killing them. So Solana is sitting at 62.46. Again, my expectations are towards 65. After that, I can offer a different story. Our first mini support is at $57, which is not an actual support. Actual support is at 53. If 53 breaks, then we will be looking at 40s. But right now, Solana is bullish, even though it drops every now and then towards $59. And last time we did see it dropped towards other targets as well. But we are seeing rallies. We are seeing that Solana is trying to stay bullish as the rest of the market is bullish. So that is good. So our next stop from here, because it's sitting at $62 right now, 62.0, I'm expecting Solana to move towards $65. That's the target that I have for Solana for its rally. And as the rest of the market is rallying, and we had bullish case scenario for Cardano as well at 41, 42, 43, 44. I don't remember exactly where it was yesterday. Oh yeah, it was 39.69 or 39 something. It has gone up and it has achieved 40, 41 and 42. So we have 2 more targets for Cardano at 43 and 44. And after that, I will see where Cardano is heading. So that's overall market and overall these 5 coins that I cover every day. If you want me to see with more coins, see me on YouTube, because I'm only making 1 video for 5 coins every day, because I don't want to post multiple videos. I'm targeted massively on TikTok. But on YouTube, you will be seeing way more content, and I will eventually go to 9 coins and then try to see if I can scale even further, which means I will be taking requests over there as well. And once I hit 15,000 subscribers on YouTube, then I'll start making content videos that no one has ever created, and it will open everyone's eyes. You will see them. You will see once it comes out.